Meet Night Bite, a simple, effective solution for teeth grinding while you sleep. 5 custom-fit mouth guards, 3 large and 2 small, a protective storage case, and 18 cleaning tablets are included. Creating your perfect fit is quick and easy. Simply place the guard in boiling water for 10 to 15 seconds, no longer. Then place it in your mouth, press it gently into position, and suck lightly to mold it to your teeth. Run it under cold water to lock in the shape. To keep your Night Bite guard clean, place it in warm water with a cleaning tablet. Night Bite helps prevent teeth grinding, reduces jaw tension, and is designed for a comfortable, slim fit. Dentist recommended. Night Bite. Stop grinding, start smiling.